Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. We have the month of July behind us, but July is still here. Alright, with Hozier, of course, Hozier's song called July. Let's take a look at this song. And if you love the month of July, or if you love Goran Guitar, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Let's move on. And we're gonna look at this song here without any capo. So that is just a clean setup. And we have a couple chords to go over. I believe they are six chords. Yes, so let's take a look at the chords. Starting now with C. All right, so we have third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the next chord, the GB chord, that is basically a G but with a B in the bass. So that goes second on A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. We have the full G, the standard G, and it goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We're gonna move on with E next. So E goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have A. That is open A, second D, second G, second B, open E, and the final chord is D. And that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Alright, so we have all the chords there, the C, the G, B, the G, the E, A, and D. Alright, so let's take a look at the strumming first to handle all these chords. And we have a short strumming pattern, and that short strumming pattern is divided into two different parts as well, because we need to split it. So one full round goes like this. If you hold the C chord, it will sound. Okay, so that is one round. So the first part is down clap. Okay, so just down clap. And the second part goes down, down, clap. So two downs and a clap. So if you put that together, it will be down, clap, down, down, clap. For one round. A couple of rounds goes like this. Alright, so after you finish one round, the clap there, you have a short pause before you start the second round again. So, pause, pause, and so on. Alright, so we're ready for the song and different parts of it. So we're gonna start with the verse play. You have the chord progression C, one full round, the GB, one full round, back to C, you're gonna play one full round plus part one, that means down, clap, down, down, clap, and then you switch to GB and play part two, the down, down, clap. So you're gonna go and alternate the C, GB, C, GB, that will be one chord progression round. And you're gonna play it for two rounds. So C1, GB1, C1 plus part 1, and GB2 for two rounds, like this. Again. That's the verse play. Two rounds. And over now to the pre-chorus. And I think that's in the lyrics, but you arrived, or yeah, arrives maybe. Not sure. Anyway, that's where you are in the lyrics, pre-chorus. And you're gonna play now E, one full round, then A, one full round, and then D, 1 full round plus 1 down and a big pause. And that pause builds up for the chorus play. So E1, A1, D1 plus 1 down like this. Down, pause, and then comes the chorus play. And yep, that's the next part, the chords and the lyrics keeping me going and so on. So we're gonna go on with C, 1 full round, the GB, 1 full round, the A minor, 1 full round, and G, 1 full round. I can see now I probably forgot to mention the A minor, so we're gonna do that now before we go into the strumming. So A minor goes like this, and it's open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That makes it a total of 7 chords actually. Surprise, surprise. Anyway, so that's the A minor. Like I mentioned, 1 full string around for the chords C, G, B, A minor, and G, like this. And that is 1 round. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that is your first chorus. Now back to the starting point, the verse, and from now on there's no news. Pretty much we have the second round, the second verse played in the same way as the first one. 2 rounds of C, G, B, C, G, B, in the same way you played it before. And the same goes with the second pre-chorus and the second chorus as well. The only difference there in the chorus is that it's twice as long. So instead of 2 rounds of C, G, B, A minor, G, you play for 4 rounds. After that second chorus, we have an instrumental part, and you're gonna play the verse play for 2 rounds. So imagine just have the third verse played again in the same way as the previous verses. So 2 rounds of C, G, B, C, G, B. That's the instrumental part. And after that follows then just the outro part. And guess what? You're gonna play the chorus play now for 2 rounds. C1, GB1, A minor 1, G1 for 2 rounds. And that wraps it up for Hozier's July. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if it was helpful, please let me know. Leave me a comment, subscribe to this channel, and all that good stuff. Till next time, play tuned.